Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem an Xbox gift card. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, there's three different ways to do this, so I'll walk through each one. So the first way is to open up any web browser. So I'm going to head on over to Google, and then from there in the Google search bar I'm going to type in redeem gift card Xbox Microsoft. And now you want to click on the first result from support.microsoft.com, redeem a gift card or code to your Microsoft account. It will send you to this help page. And then under where it says how to redeem a gift card, it's got redeem code. Go ahead and click into that. From there, it will make you sign into your Microsoft account. So go ahead and sign in. Once you've signed in, you'll be brought to this page here where it says redeem your code or gift card. And now enter in the 25 character code here, click next and follow the prompts to redeem your code that way. And now the second way is on the Xbox console itself. So from there, turn on your Xbox console and sign into your Microsoft account. And then from there, go to the store. So press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide, navigate to store. And then from there, in the store, scroll down and select redeem a code, enter the 25 character code from your Xbox gift card and select next. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the redemption. And now if you're on the Xbox app, open up the app on your mobile device, navigate to store icon at the bottom of the screen, scroll down and tap redeem a code, then enter the 25 character code from your Xbox gift card and tap next. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the redemption.